Eastern and Greater Accra Sector. Hello everyone, and welcome to GES Quick News Broadcast, where we bring you the best and latest information you can get anywhere. Today, we have an important announcement from the Teacher Trainees Association of Ghana, Eastern and Greater Accra Sector, also known as TTAG-EGA. This announcement is about a significant change in their official correspondence. On the 1st of July 2024, the TTAG-EGA Secretariat released a notice of change of letterhead. This change is part of their effort to represent trainees' voices and interests more effectively, and it marks a refreshing update to their visual identity. The new letterhead features the TTAG logo, the Ghana coat of arms, a QR code for the sector, and all Secretariat contact details. This new design captures the spirit and energy of the Eastern and Greater Accra Sector, serving as a powerful symbol of their collective voice. This new letterhead will be used for all official correspondence from the association, effective from today, the 1st of July 2024. The TTAG-EGA believes that this vibrant design will enhance their communications and strengthen their representation of teacher trainees. Samuel Boahina Sa, the General Secretary, and Kingsley Aid, the President of TTAG-EGA, expressed their enthusiasm for this change. They are confident that the new letterhead will symbolize their commitment to building a formidable association for all teacher trainees in the Eastern and Greater Accra regions. The notice has been circulated to various key stakeholders, including the Ministry of Education, the Eastern Regional Director of GES, the National Service Scheme, and several other educational and student bodies. This ensures that everyone involved in the education sector is informed about the change. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on educational initiatives, job vacancies, and other important GES news. Stay informed and stay ahead. Until next time, bye-bye.